Hi, you reached Josh Thomas, mortgage broker in Utah. How you doing today? Hope it's going great for you. Just wanted to share a couple of cool perspectives with you here. And so I'm going to go ahead and share my screen and get started. I guess before I do that, I probably ought to comment. So I continue to hear a lot of concerns and questions, probably every day, questions about a housing crash. Make sure you find my video recently, the last few weeks, that I put up about why we're not in a bubble. It's about a 10-minute video, and so I know it's a little long, but forgive me and go through that. It still surprises me how frequently I'm hearing educated people in my business even, that are looking at and anticipating a crash, too many loans in forbearance, and they think all those are going to go to foreclosure, or they're going to sell their homes to rectify, or all these different things, and they just don't understand all of the behind the scenes stuff. And so go ahead and take a look at that article, because I take a really in-depth look at a lot of the statistics and charts. And if you love charts, you're going to love that video. If you don't love charts, maybe just squint a little while you're listening to me. Anyway, maybe let me keep you company when you're at the gym working out or something. I don't know. But in any case, let me go ahead and share my screen. And of course, by the way, when you're watching this, if you do find any of it useful, please like it, share it, subscribe it. You know the drill. But don't take for granted that other people actually know this stuff very well. I know most lenders don't get into this kind of depth with their clients. And so, first things first, cool article I wanted to share with you. So, home prices have gone up a lot over the last couple of years. Especially in the last year, we're up actually 20%, give or take, around Utah. Pretty crazy. But if we just had, this is a cool comparison because rates are lower, right? So if the home price went up $20,000 today, but the rate is lower, then that makes an actual lower monthly payment. How cool is that? How many people realize that you can actually buy more house today for less? Well, to be honest, that's the same house, but you can buy more house for less money because of today's rates. And so that's pretty sick. And I thought I'd share that. Thought that was really neat. This particular one, if I can get back there, there we go. This is another article that I got I thought was pretty cool. Should I move or refinance? And they go through lots of numbers here. So numbers folks, engineers and such would probably like it. But this particular section right here, I thought was really, really good. If I can get it highlighted. Nope. I'm not having success here. If you could buy a home worth $80,000 more than the one you have today, you'd only spend maybe an extra $132 a month. I think a lot of people would like to move, but they don't realize that it's that much more affordable. So kind of going along with the same lines, where it's the same house, slightly more expensive today, but it's cheaper interest rate, so your payment's actually lower. Well, if you don't buy the same house, you actually buy a bigger house. And so that's what this is kind of showing. Suppose a person bought a house at $216,000 at the height of the market in 2006, the median home price being. If they put 10% down and took out a mortgage for $194, that's 6.41 the average. Anyway, they kind of go through and they talk about how today you would only be spending an extra $132 a month for $80,000 more in house. And that's just an example, but I think it's a pretty dang good one. I think it's pretty insightful for a lot of people. And they do go into a lot of depth in this article, so I like it. I'll share that. So that's about it. That's all I got to cover today. So if anybody has any questions, by all means, comment or email me or call me or text me or whatever. We are here to help you. If you don't own a home, you should buy one right now, ASAP. And if you can't qualify, then you should definitely call me and see what we can do to help you get qualified. If you already own a home, you should buy another home. And if you don't already own two homes, if you do, you should probably buy a third one. Just look at one of my recent videos on vacation homes and some of the cool rules around that, or look at buying an investment property. Vacation homes are 10% down, and so that's a little bit better than your 25% typical down for investment property. Anyway, if you like it, share it. Hope you guys have a great day. We appreciate you.